Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
His mother resigned at the age of 2 and his foster parents at the age of 11. However, a stranger, a man growing up in difficult circumstances, did something touching for him. Life brings many twists and turns that you don't expect at all. Sometimes these changes are good, but unfortunately, it's not uncommon for things to get much worse. Despite his young age, a 13-year-old Anthony got out of a lot of evil. The boy was abandoned by his mother at the age of 2 and was then taken to a new family. They raised her for more than 9 years, but then decided to take a startling and almost unbelievable step. An unknown man adopted the abandoned boy. When the boy was hospitalized, his foster parents left him and never returned. They waived their parental rights, and Anthony had nowhere to go. Fortunately, the social workers rushed to her aid quickly and were soon able to take part in a turning point in the fate. He went to an unknown man from whom he would finally receive the sincere, paternal love, care he needed and would always have benefited from him. Peter Mutabazi also had a difficult childhood. He grew up in a small village on the border of Uganda and Rwanda, and his father regularly abused the whole family. He often beat them and many times did not give them food. He escaped at the age of 10 and became a street child. Eventually, he found refuge with a family who accommodated and raised him. He migrated to America, moved to Oklahoma as an adult, and founded a real estate sales company. After buying her house, she knew she wanted to give her empty rooms to children in need. He therefore undertook temporary foster care and adopted 12 children in 3 years until a permanent home was found for them. One night, he received a phone call asking if he would take an 11-year-old boy. He thought a little, but quickly said yes. Almost immediately after their meeting, a special relationship developed between them. The boy had already called the man father after 20 minutes. When the man found out the details, he was almost shocked. He couldn't even imagine who would leave a child after all these years. This man had been going on for 2 years, and Peter and Anthony quickly became inseparable. So much so that recently the single man officially adopted the boy. He feels a real blessing that he can be his father and is grateful that he is brought together by fate. The man regularly shares photos of their everyday lives on Instagram, showing how happy they are to form a family. But she didn't give up on temporary foster care either, as she wanted to help even more children, and his images may encourage others to do the same.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.